brother at my husband's brother's place. We're staying here until tomorrow, tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow morning, I think. And right now we're heading to Lake's entrance. It's probably half an hour drive from where we stayed, is it? 15-20 minutes, so it's not that bad actually. So pupunta kami sa Lake's entrance kasi hindi pa nakapunta doon si Charmer Girl. So we'll show her what it looks like. It's magnificent place. It's so good. It's beautiful. So excited na ako para sa kanya. So we'll see you. Na kami sa sa restaurant pero parang shut now. We arrived here at exactly 2 o'clock and they just put this sign in the counter, so I think we're gonna end up going to MarkII.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Here, Charmer Girls with me.
They can only do Chinese food. Hey girls, they can only do Chinese food. Nothing else. No, no.
Is it? No, it's alright. We'll go find something somewhere else. Alright.
I can't hold him anymore.
Okay. So, hello guys. Again, I told you earlier we're gonna end up getting something like MarkII or anything. So now we're sitting in the car eating fish and chips. Everything was shut. We couldn't get anything until 6 o'clock. So fish and chips for lunch, breakfast and lunch. My husband's got hamburger. And Maria and Darren, Charmer Girl, and her husband are following us behind. I think we're gonna go for a walk dito sa footbridge tapos papunta sa beach. Ang ganda, kaya we'll see. Ang lamig kaya we'll see how we go. Baka hindi na ako pupunta. I'm not sure, pero Maria and Darren really wants to go. I love this. Pero they're not using the yung fish sauce, or not fish sauce, fish salt. Mas masarap kaya yon kaysa sa normal na fish or na salt. Anyway, kain muna ako. So here's Lake's entrance, guys. It's very beautiful. I've been here a few times and it's a magnificent place. The weather wasn't too bad because earlier I think it was 21 degrees. Pero ngayon it seems a bit colder. I think it's 18 degrees now, or could be less. And jeepers, it's so cold. The breeze are cold. There, look. That's Maria and Darren. So nice. So big. Hey.
A lot of strength behind the 60 kilo.
Wow. Oh.
Okay.
What breed is it?
German Shepherd.
Wow.
Okay, we're going.
hindi naka-ready, pero it's okay. Ang ganda dito. Isn't it amazing?
It's so maganda dito. Yeah, sobrang ganda dito talaga, guys. Hindi siya masyadong malamig.
Kaya nga.
Nanginginig na.
Hindi masyadong malamig, pero nanginginig na.
Sobrang ganda dito, guys.
Or, uuwi na kami guys kasi it's very cold na. It's really freezing. So, guys, I hope you like this video. I think that will be it for today. And we'll see you again soon. See ya! Bye!